Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi from Steven Universe. First, gather your ingredients: sushi rice, nori sheets, and your favorite fillings. Cook the sushi rice according to package instructions, ensuring it's perfectly sticky. While the rice cools, prepare your fillings. Think about colorful options like cucumber, avocado, or even some imitation crab sticks to capture that cartoon vibe. This easy method makes it fun for everyone. Now let's get rolling. Place a nori sheet, shiny side down, on your bamboo rolling mat. Gently spread a thin, even layer of sushi rice over about 2/3 of the nori, leaving the top edge clear. Next, arrange your prepared fillings in a neat line across the bottom third of the rice. Don't overfill, as this can make rolling tricky. A good balance is key for a perfect bite. Time to perfect that roll. Using your bamboo mat, carefully lift the edge closest to you and roll it over the fillings, tucking them in tightly. Apply gentle, even pressure as you continue to roll forward, shaping the sushi into a firm cylinder. Once you reach the end, moisten the exposed nori edge with a little water. This acts as a natural glue, sealing your sushi roll securely. Finally, it's time to slice and enjoy your delicious creation. Use a very sharp knife, dampened with water, to cut your sushi roll into 1-inch pieces. Wiping the knife between each cut helps prevent sticking and ensures clean, beautiful slices. Arrange your colorful sushi on a plate and serve with your favorite dipping sauce, like soy sauce. Enjoy your easy Steven Universe-inspired treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.